In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Taco Bell gift card. We'll do everything on the official Taco Bell website so it's fast, secure, and straightforward, whether you're sending a quick e-gift or a classic physical card. First, head to the Taco Bell gift card page on the official site. If you're searching, look for the official Taco Bell domain and the page specifically dedicated to gift cards. Once you're there, you'll see a clear option to move forward. Next, click Buy Gift Card. This takes you into the purchase flow where you can choose exactly how you want the card delivered. You'll be asked to pick between a physical card and an eGift card. Choose the eGift card if you want instant digital delivery by email. It's perfect for last-minute gifts and there's no shipping involved. Choose a physical card if you prefer something tangible that arrives by mail. Keep in mind physical delivery takes longer, so plan a little cushion if you have a specific date in mind. Now select the amount you want to put on the card. You can pick a preset amount or, if available, enter a custom value that fits your budget. Think about how the recipient likes to order so the amount feels practical, and remember the card can be used over multiple visits until the balance runs out. From here, enter the delivery details. For an e-gift, type in the recipient's email address and your own email so you receive the purchase confirmation. For a physical card, provide the shipping address where you want the card mailed. Take a moment to double-check spellings, apartment numbers, and zip codes. Accurate details ensure the card lands in the right inbox or mailbox without delays. When your details look good, pay with a debit or credit card. Make sure you're on a secure checkout page and that the billing information matches your payment method to avoid declines. After you submit payment, the order processes right away. Finally, receive the card. For e-gifts, watch for an email that includes the digital gift card and redemption instructions. If it doesn't appear, check your spam or promotions folder. For physical cards, keep an eye on your mailbox. Delivery times vary based on the option you selected during checkout. That's it. You've successfully purchased a Taco Bell gift card online. Follow these steps each time you need a quick, reliable gift, and you'll be done in just a few minutes.